Hey sales experts, today we're going to be going through maximizing customer influence to close more sales with subtle control. Having control is, if not the most, one of the most important parts of any sales interaction. It gives us the power to positively persuade the customer to get our desired outcome, which of course is the sale or the deal. So, first of all, it's important to note that every business and every salesperson wants to make more sales and increase revenue. But it's not always easy to do so. Customer control helps us maximize our efforts, and it allows us to influence the customer to make the decision we want them to make. An important place to start to gain control is to understand your customer needs and motivations. This could be through learning what their buying motivators are, asking them questions, or paying attention to their body language. When you understand what the customer wants, you can tailor your sales pitch to their specific needs, and in turn, increase the chances of a successful sale. To truly understand your customer, it's important to listen to what they're saying and ask open-ended questions to encourage them to share more about their needs and motivations. Think of the entire sales interaction as if you are an information gatherer. Every point that a customer mentions related to your service or product, take note of it. And then to get the sale, you must use this information back on the customer when it's time to close. This ties nicely into the next step, as the customer will only listen to your point of view if you've built rapport and trust. This means establishing a connection with the customer, making them feel comfortable, and showing them that you're there to help. When a customer trusts you, they're more likely to be open to your sales pitch and make a purchase. To build rapport and trust, it's important to show genuine interest in the customer and their needs, share personal anecdotes, and be open and transparent. Don't be afraid to use humor to break the ice and make the customer feel more comfortable. If you think about it, when our general lives take a moment of crisis, we look to our friends and family for advice because we have deep levels of rapport and trust with these people. A good salesperson understands that they must also build good trust and rapport with their customer in order to have control of the sale. The next step is to subtly plant seeds of desire. This could be through highlighting the unique features and benefits of your product or service, or making the customer imagine what life would be like with your solution. You want to focus on the value you're offering and the positive impact it will have on their life or business. The key here is to do it in a subtle manner, so the customer feels like the idea of purchasing from you is their own. You can use visualization and storytelling to help the customer imagine what their life could be like with your product. Here's a small tip. Tell stories with passion and evoke emotion into key words like imagine or feel to really have the customer buy into your pitch and feel the emotion you put into your pitch as well. It's important to also confirm and reassure, after you've planted the seeds of desire in the customer's mind, that your solution is the right choice. This could be through highlighting your expertise, sharing customer testimonials, or offering a satisfaction guarantee. By confirming and reassuring the customer, you're addressing any doubts or concerns they may have and making them feel confident in their decision to purchase from you. Finally, you should be in a good position to close the sale. This is where you ask for the sale and handle any objections the customer may have. The key to successful closing is to be confident and assertive, but also respectful of the customer's decision. It's important to listen to the customer's concerns and address them in a positive manner, but also to be persistent in your efforts to close the sale. You can use proven closing techniques such as the assumptive close or the gauge technique, which you can find here to increase your chances of success. Remember, the key here is to be subtle and influence in an effective manner that makes the customer feel in control of the buying process.